Welcome to Covenant Doors and Millwork, where our goal is to become your one source for quality doors and moldings for the home, business, or office. And while we emphasize quality, we also keep your bottom line in mind with surprisingly affordable prices. Some of the most important benefits of working with us include the overall quality of our work. We employ a team of skilled craftsmen, many of which have been in this type of business for most of their lives. We provide those craftsmen with the latest tools and equipment so that they're able to design and produce just about any door or molding that you require. Our fast turnaround time ensures that your project isn't kept waiting, and the exceptional service we provide after you receive our work is industry-leading. We proudly produce high-end custom wood doors that can fit any application, and we do it all right here in the Midwest. From a service standpoint, that means should you ever encounter a problem, we're right here to help. At Covenant Doors and Millwork, we believe we know what our customers want.
What our customers are looking for is a high-quality door. Usually the individuals that are in the high-end market, they are looking for a door that's sound, a door that's solid. They want to feel the warmth, the security of the thicker door. When you walk into a home that has a Covenant door in it, you're going to be able to tell the difference within that home. Sometimes when you walk into houses and you just walk in and you're really not sure what it is, but that house has got something more to it than the other homes out there, then you'll find that it's probably got a Covenant door in it.
The industry standard door is 1 3/8 inches thick. At Covenant Doors, we offer custom wood doors starting at 1 3/4 of an inch in thickness. It's that difference that sets us apart. Our doors provide additional strength, an additional sound barrier, and when you touch our doors, you feel the difference. You feel the strength, the quality, and you're impressed from the very first touch.
What you'll find with us is that we're not cookie cutter by any means. We are strictly 100% handcrafted. Every individual piece is handled. Every cope on there is done by an individual. It's not necessarily done by a machine that has just come by and done it. We've got the visual inspection points on every process through that door. When you own a Covenant door, you'll feel warmth, you'll feel security, you'll feel safe, and you'll feel proud to own a Covenant door.
While we are capable of working with most species of wood, oftentimes we'll work with knotty elder, which when finished appears almost exactly the same as cherry wood, but at about half the cost. Although keeping the initial cost low is important, there's also an immediate financial gain to investing in Covenant Doors.
When somebody comes to your house, the first thing that they're going to come up to is going to be your entry system. And that's going to be the only chance that you get for making a first impression on them. When they come up to it, what's the first impression of your home? When they knock on it, are they going to knock and is it going to sound hollow or is it going to sound like a solid wood door? When you build your home to begin with, you should keep in mind that adding 1 to 2% on the original construction of your house can add as much as 5, 6, 7% on the overall equity within your house. So immediately when you make the decision to put in the additional woodwork or the upgrade of the woodwork, you've immediately added equity within your house just instantaneously. Now, it's hard to find a return on your money like that. So the smart thing to do is to invest your money wisely and invest it in something that will add instant equity to your house for the long term, and go with an upgrade for an 1 3/4 door. And Covenant Doors can provide that for you.
Without a doubt, the most important feature to us was the extra thickness. Their doors are about 1/4 inch thicker and solid wood doors. This makes for a much heavier but a much better constructed door, which will last years into the future. Some of the doors that we have had in previous homes were hollow core doors and did not stand up very well. The company was excellent to work with. Once we made our selections, they gave us a timeline to develop the product, to deliver it to our site, and that worked very, very well. They were able to meet the timeline, deliver the product as needed. We are very pleased with their workmanship and quality product that they are able to produce.
Our shop area is completely equipped to handle everything from a single door order to complete door and molding packages for the entire home, business, or office. And no matter what the size of your order, it always receives the careful craftsmanship and personal attention that it deserves.
All of our wood is purchased from either a wholesaler or direct from the sawmill. Probably 80% of the wood we get is knotty alder, and it comes off the west coast. Quality starts from the time that we cut that bundle. You cut the bundle back there, the guy goes up and he sorts out and he starts making a decision about where that wood's going to fall out in the process. Depending on where it goes, whether it's molding or it goes into a door or whatever, then it goes out and then it goes through a glue up process. We glue it up, we make panels, stiles, heads, kicks, and then after that then it's taken over and then it's into a machining process. All this stuff is done by hand. The guys machine the parts and they take a lot of care in how they're machining it. They go back over, then they assemble the door. They put the door together and it's assembled and then it usually sits overnight and cures. Doors are pulled out at that point. They're run through the wide belt sander. After they're done in the wide belt sander, then they're taken over in the detail area. And you've got individuals that spend an awful lot of time there just detailing just those doors and getting out the imperfections. Sometimes then the untrained eye will not see the imperfections that are within these doors. And these guys are trained to spot that. Once they get done with it, now depending on whether or not it's just a slab that's going to be shipped out or whether or not somebody's asked us to pre-hang it. If it's a slab, we'll create it and send it on out. If it's not, then we take it on over to our pre-hang area. And the guys over there will pre-hang it to whatever jam specification that the customer wants.
Skilled craftsmen working with the industry's latest equipment to produce the highest quality doors and moldings for your home, office, or business. That's Covenant Doors and Millwork.
If I had the opportunity, I'd love to invite you over to the showroom. We're located in Central City, Nebraska, right in the middle of the Midwest. And I'd like to have you come in and take a look at our showroom. You'll come in, and as soon as you open the door and you come in the front entry there, you're going to see just doors all over the place, and they're all high-end, good-looking 1 3/4 doors. After you look around there, then what we'll do is we'll put a pair of safety glasses on you and we'll head you out to the floor, and you'll be able to go out there and you'll probably end up meeting the individuals that will actually assemble your door and put your door together for you. If you're the type of an individual that likes to actually select the wood that's going to go in your door, you can come out there and you can select the wood that's going to go in your door. We've had people that have actually brought their own wood here and had us make doors out of their own wood, and we do that too. We're a custom wood shop, and that's what we provide is a service for the customer. And you deserve a Covenant door.